No, we're live. Countdown.
Whoops.
It's like,
Okay.
go.
And we go. Let me see. Yeah, I give people a couple minutes to find out that we're on live.
I'm here too.
Hey,
Hi.
she's here.
Oh my goodness, she's here too. That's such a surprise.
Okay.
Not really.
And I smell mac and cheese.
You smell like cheese?
No, I said I smell mac and cheese.
Oh,
What?
I was gonna be like, that's
Weird.
not something you want to share.
No, I smell
Facebook.
mac and cheese.
All right.
Oh, somebody's there. Please stop.
I can't get rid of that. So I
Get
can
rid of
see.
that.
Yeah. So I can see.
Okay.
Oh. Hi, Esther.
Hi, Esther.
Okay, we should go ahead and get
All right,
started.
so. Oh yeah, that smells cheesy.
She's going to tell us.
All right, so what are we doing?
So we are trying Chick-fil-A's new mac and cheese.
Okay, smell it. What's it smell like?
Ooh, that smells cheesy.
Like good cheesy or bad?
I don't know.
Try it.
It smells good.
It does smell. It smells like there's more. It smells like they did invest in multiple cheeses.
Exactly.
It smells.
Yes.
Why,
Like there's
why
more
does it
than
feel
one
like
cheese.
I smelled that before. Like I've smelled that smell before.
Okay. So let me see if you can. I'll show you what. I don't know if you can really see it.
Oh, you gotta
hard
do that
to-
thing you used with the.
It's
with
kind of
makeup.
hard to see, but
Yeah, it's-
yeah, we're like if you can see the
mac and
cheese. Anyway, it's hard to see. The
But
light is shining through here, but it looks like they're trying to get as close to authentic mac and cheese as possible.
Okay.
I saw a couple of other examples, like people did videos and it had like more. I guess it looked more baked. This doesn't look as baked to me, but we're gonna see what.
right.
So everybody, get your spoon. Gregory, where's your spoon?
Oh,
All right, so we're going to try this mac and cheese.
Are we
This
gonna
is-
dig
Hey,
it?
Samira.
Hey.
This is Chick-fil-A's mac and cheese. We're trying this out.
Can we?
Yes, this is the taste test. We're gonna tell y'all whether you should spend your money. How much was it? Like $3.
yeah.
It was like $3. This is the medium. This is what they're calling medium.
That looks like a
This
small.
looks like like a schmedium. It's on the small
It's on the
side.
small side.
medium.
But we only got one because just in case we don't like it, we don't want. So
If
all right,
if
everybody,
you guys
daddy
don't-
first.
Daddy first.
Daddy first. Don't eat it yet. Just get your scoop.
Just get my scoop. All
Okay,
right.
Sydney next. Get your scoop. Don't eat it yet. You're not getting it now.
I'm trying.
Okay, there you
there.
go. And then mommy. Ooh, look!
gosh.
Look at that. That is promising. Okay. All right, here we go. Ready?
Set.
1, 2, 3.
Come on, Jack.
Oh, hold up.
I'm gonna eat the rest of this.
Okay.
That's pretty good.
That is that right there.
Can we get another one for each of us?
Now, okay, so it's not your grandma's baked macaroni. It's not. Now this one right here, he makes a serious baked macaroni and cheese.
That's my mama's recipe.
Yes.
Hi, Mom.
Yes. Hey, Mom.
Hey, Grandma Susan.
Yep. So it's not that, because that's where that level's like up here. But
I can't contain
if I
myself.
can't get that, this will work.
Yeah,
This is-
for store bought, for fast food.
yeah, for start. Yeah, you
It's
got
really-
cheese
I
in your
got-
mouth. Wait, you sure? Wait a minute, you sure? He's saving stuff for later.
I'm gonna put some on me.
So
Nope.
yeah, no, this is really. I mean, you can taste. There's cheddar in here, but
is?
there's some other.
Oh,
there's.
yeah.
I'm not sure. I'm trying to
I'm
see if I
gonna
can
taste
just figure out. There's more than one cheese in here.
Okay.
And we are cheese lovers. We love cheese.
Okay, so there's
So there
cheddar,
might be like there's cheddar.
there's
Maybe
cheddar.
it's not hot, so there's not
I
like
think
pepper
this is
jack in
another-
here or anything. But maybe like Swiss might be in here. A little
Okay, here's the
something.
next video. Figure out what type of cheese
Yeah, right.
is in the macaroni.
We're gonna have to do this again so we can figure out what kind of cheeses are in here. But as you can see, we're sort of killing the medium size.
I'm still
Macaroni.
medium.
But it is really tasty for fast food. A fast food restaurant. I'm gonna say Chick-fil-A. Thumbs up to
Yep.
you.
Yep.
Thumbs up to you for this.
Yeah, if you ever tried somebody, like KFC's macaroni
Right.
or some other
That's
fast
my
food, it's just disappointing. This one is not. So
Yeah, it's not at all. This is really
not
good.
disappointing.
And it's very cheesy. Like, it's not just like noodles and they threw some cheese in there.
sweet
Like, they
potato
really
pie.
work.
That's what I
Is
say.
that what they
whenever-
need to offer next? Sweet potato pie?
Sweet? No.
If they offer sweet potato pie and mac and cheese,
I'm eating the mac and cheese. You guys can eat the sweet potato.
then all Gregory is ever going to want to eat is Chick-fil-A. He'll be like, I think I have to go to the post office, and then he'll come in with crumbs and stuff. So yeah, so this was really good. We suggest giving it a try. So, out 5 stars. How many stars do you give it, Daddy?
5.
Okay, how many stars?
I'm just gonna go out of the limit. 3 million.
Okay, so Sydney's giving it 3 million stars. You see, she's still eating. I'm gonna stay on my scale. I'm gonna give it 5 stars. It was really tasty.
When I say
it's
like
very-
5 million, I mean 5.
Oh, okay,
I
but
mean
you said
3
3
million.
million. So
I
that
meant
does that
3
mean
mil-
3? Does that mean 3? Because you said 3 million.
No, I meant.
If
I
5 million means 5, then
Hold-
3 million would mean 3.
Hold on.
Okay, I'm sorry.
I meant 3. But when I said 3 million, I meant 5. That really means 5 stars.
I gotcha. All right, so yeah, so Chick-fil-A mac and cheese.
Does anybody else want this before I take this?
I'm gonna let you have it after we're done,
Okay.
but I'm trying to have
I got
something
it
for the video.
Since you're taking, I'm gonna get one more before you take it.
So as you can see, the 3 of us are fighting over the medium. I'm gonna keep calling it that.
And look how much we have now.
Chick-fil-A, if you're watching, this is not a medium. Just so you know. I mean, I
It's
know you're
just
probably,
medium.
you just put it out there. You're testing it out. So you're trying to give us a smaller, because you're trying to see if you're gonna keep it on the menu.
Oh.
I suggest you keep it on the menu, but this is not a medium.
Yeah,
This is the small.
Next
This
time we're gonna order the
video-
bowl. They had
Right,
bowl.
yeah. This is like a small, but they're calling this a medium, but it's not.
It's
So
a
if
medium.
this was great for a taste test just in case you don't like it. So if you want to try this one, this size, just in case you don't like it, this will give you, I don't know, if this is the small is like,
Okay.
I mean, it's enough
That
for one
works.
person. It's supposed to be the side. So instead of French fries,
right,
You
but I'm
have-
just saying this is the medium. So the small is like a ketchup size packet. I'm not really sure where you go from this down. But anyway, the
Okay,
point I'm
you know
making
what?
is that, hold on. The point I'm making is it's delicious. This is a great size to pick if you're just trying it out, and especially if more than one person wants to try it and y'all don't want to waste your money. This is a good size to try it out. If you really like it, you want to go up to the next size. But yeah, so Chick-fil-A, thumbs up. We give it 5 stars. It's very tasty. Don't go in expecting like the serious grandma's homemade mac and cheese, but
This is Daddy's mac and cheese.
right. But don't go in there expect. I don't even know if you can see, like this little piece right here. There's like you can't even hardly see it, but there's like bring it in. Can you bring it in close? Like there's a big chunk of cheese right there. I mean, like I don't know.
Can I
The
eat
light
that
is
one?
yeah, you can have it. But anyway, it's like this. I mean, they really did some work with making this thing cheesy. That's all I'm trying to say. And we love cheese, so we appreciate the work that you have done.
Hold on.
Samira said she gets what she knows what she having for lunch. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Get you,
Eat this.
get you some of this
And get a
macaroni
big
and
one.
cheese.
Get a big one.
And,
We're gonna
yeah.
buy another one.
If you're trying to,
Yes.
if you're
I need
trying
a
to
big
watch your
bowl.
calories, you probably don't want to get the bigger one because it's got some cheese in here. Like I'm looking at a melted chunk of deliciousness that I said I was gonna give to my child, but I wish I'll just go ahead.
I'm kidding.
Go ahead.
I'm kidding.
You can have
It's
it.
on your spoon.
You can have it.
No.
All right. Okay.
I'll keep
She was like, no,
Not
that's
on
your
your-
spoon. No, ma'am. So,
I'll share it.
you want to share it?
I don't
Okay.
know how we're gonna share
So,
it, but
anything
we
else we
will.
want to say?
Okay. Oh, this video is sponsored by Chick-fil-A. Just saying.
It's really not sponsored
Yes, it
by
is.
Chick-fil-A.
Yes, it is.
But we will speak that into existence.
Yeah.
That the next time we do this video, that Chick-fil-A would be sponsoring it. That would be awesome, Chick-fil-A,
You don't mind
if you're watching.
You don't mind
Um,
if I eat this, right?
Yes, go ahead. You can eat it. That's cheese. That's all that good cheesiness. That's what I'm talking about. It's amazing.
Now
Here.
I'm not even sure if I want it.
Yeah, it's delicious. You want it. Go ahead. Okay.
All
In your mouth. There you
of
go.
them.
All right.
All
Wonderful. So, thank y'all for watching.
Whoa.
Please go and try their the Chick-fil-A's macaroni and cheese because it's really delicious. And once again, this is what they're calling a medium. Chick-fil-A work on that. But anyway,
If you're trying to listen, if you're
it
trying
really
to
feels like a small. But I mean, we also were 3 people trying it because we weren't sure if we liked
you
it. Or
wanna
we were
make
going to
a
like it or
medium-
not. But we do 5 stars all around.
if you want to make a medium, make it like this
That's not a
big.
medium.
No, make it this big.
that's okay.
Yeah, that's okay.
All right.
If you're trying to make it small, make it this big. But if you're trying to make it large, this big.
Oh, okay. So the size of us is large. Okay, great. All right. Well, thanks for watching. Anything else you want to say before we sign off?
No, I appreciate you guys tuning in. Check out the Chick-fil-A mac and cheese.
Check
And the
it out.
Russells will be back at you with another video.
Check it
Keep your
out.
eyes open.
All right. Bye. Say bye.
Take care.
Deuce.